In this video, I'm going to show you how to work out the median time from a histogram. But we've got a table, complete table, a complete histogram. So we're going to work out a median time. Here we've got 50 people being represented who've done a fund run. 2 people took between 5 and 15 minutes. 6 people took between 15 and 20 minutes, and so on. What will help you to work at the median at this moment is if I represent people as dots. So there's 2 people there, 6 people here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 people here, 15, 16, 17, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 people here, and then 10 people here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right, I've left a gap here deliberately because I'm going to do some work here. This is just for teaching. Right, now I've got 50 people and I want to work at the median. So what you do, take the 50 and divide by 2. That gives you 25. So we're looking for the 25th person, 25th dot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. That's our median. That person there represents the median. And obviously that means that the median lies somewhere between 25 and 35. All right? It lies somewhere between 25 and 35. So we need a median time. That's what I'm trying to work out, the median time. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to represent this 25 and 35. So this 25 and 35, I'm going to represent it as a number line. Right, here's 25 and here's 35. And our median lies here. You can see why I've left a bit of space here so that you can see this from a teaching point of view. All right. What I need to work out is if I know what this gap is, this gap between the 25 and the median, whatever that is, the median, I don't know what that is at the moment. If I can figure out what this gap is, then I can work out the median automatically, can't I? So for example, let's say the gap happened to be, I don't know, 3. 25 at 3 is 28. That would be the median, wouldn't it? I've got here, if you look at the dots along here, if you look at all the dots, the median person is the 3rd dot on this row. It's the 3rd one, 1st, 2nd, 3rd one. So that's 3, 3rd one, out of how many dots on that row? How many dots are there on that row? Right, if you don't want to count all over again, just look at that number here, 18. So it's 3 out of 18. Or if you like, it's 3/18 along the way on this row. All right. Then I'm going to put on the other side of the equation question mark out of, what's this gap over here? What's the total gap over here? The total gap over here is what's between 25 and 35? What's the gap between 25 and 35? That's a gap of 10. It's the class width, all right? So what we now do is work at this question mark. So to get rid of divide by 10 times by 10, do the same thing on the other side. These cancel, so you're left with question mark is equal to 3 over 18 times 10. That comes as, let's have a look, 3 divided by 18 times 10. I get 1.6 recurring. I'll just write it as 1.66. So that gap over there is 1.66. 1.66. So therefore our median, this position here, this median over there, happens to be 25 at 1.66. It happens to be 26.66. That's our median time. Right, you would expect 26.66 to lie close to 25. Right. Obviously it's a lot closer to 25 than it is to 35. Why? Because the third person, if you can see here, the third person, the median person, is closer to the left hand side of this row than it is to the right hand side. What if there was a situation, an awkward situation, where there are not 50 people but 51 people? Then when you wanted to work at the median one, 51 divided by 2 would be 25.5. You'd be looking for 25.5 position. Right. So if I just look at that row again, so you've got you've got 18 altogether, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Your 25.5 position would be here. Remember, that would be 25 as it was here, but 25.5 would be right here, wouldn't it? Between 25th and 26th. In that case, you would write, well, that's the first, second, third, 3.5. That's the 3.5 position along this row. So you write 3.5 out of 18 dots, 18 people. That's what you do. And it's the same on the other side as it was before. Right? And you can just do the maths and work out what the question mark is.